Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So this is the second video. We are going to give our reaction on Dhoni sir's birthday special mashup.
Yes, so and this video is from RCM promo
Yes.
and remix. So we have featuring Sushant Singh Rajput ji. So it was very unfortunate, but
Yes.
we have to go along with this only.
Right.
So yes, this one is the motivational video 2020, and the first video we have done. It is from GB Creations, I think, right? And
I
that
think
was
it's GB or the GW Creations.
GW Creation, something like that. We'll be like attaching that thing, and that was super good. Okay, that was very good actually, and we enjoyed it like anything. And this one, I think it should be better than that one.
Yes, and little
Because
bit
this
of
is RCM.
emotional feeling will be also there, and
Emotional
bad
touch
times
will be
will
there.
also be there.
Yeah, so struggles and everything, like as well as the success, every phases of Dhoni sir's life will be there, I think. And we all know that RCM always maintains that only.
Yes.
It always contains the
Bad
mashup
time
videos,
as
bad
well as
times
good
as well as
time.
good times, everything. That is the most
Important thing
important
right
thing.
now. Yes.
And we like it. And let's get started with the video. And before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the
Yes.
notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
காலம் பூரா கிரிக்கெட் ஆடிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது.
Struggle.
நான் கரக்பூர்ல ஜாப் செக்யூரிட்டிங்கிற விஷயத்துல மாட்டிக்கிட்டேன்னா அப்புறம் என்னால எதுவுமே செய்ய முடியாதுப்பா. என்னால ரெண்டையும் சமாளிக்க முடியல. ஒன்று நான் ரயில்வேல ஒர்க் பண்ணணும், இல்லைன்னா கிரிக்கெட் ஆடணும். ஆனா இங்கிருந்து நான் எப்படி முன்னேறி போறதுன்னு தான் எனக்கு தெரியல சார். என்னோட கேமும் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகல சார். என்னை ப்ரூவ் பண்றதுக்கு நல்ல வாய்ப்பும் கிடைக்கல.
இந்த உலகத்துல முடியாதுன்னு எதுவுமே கிடையாது. இங்கே திறமை இல்லாத மனுஷங்களே கிடையாது. திறமையை வெளிப்படுத்தாத மனுஷங்க தான் அதிகம். யாரோ பிளேயர் உள்ள வரா சார்.
ஒரு ஹெலிகாப்டர் ஓட்ட தெரியுமா?
யார் அந்த 7ஆம் நம்பர்?
Dhoni finishes off in style, a magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years, and it is an Indian
28 years.
Unbelievable.
Right. He made it possible.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was
So,
outstanding,
yes.
and really enjoyed it. It should contain a little more topic like his ups and downs, his career struggles, success, everything.
yes.
Uh,
I
like
think
it
this
is,
mashup generally it's along with
yeah.
the birthday mashup, it's giving tribute to Sushant sir
Sushant Singh
Rajput.
Rajput sir, yes.
Yes.
So I think it only shows, as per the Dhoni sir's perspective, that after 28 years, India got the
Next
second World Cup.
Yes.
Yes, so it was only focused in this mashup, which I believe. So
And also, I think
I really like it.
It captures all the lot of different type of shots also. He was
Shots,
playing.
he's helicopter shots and whichever shots
And,
he's famous for.
And starting with that, it was a bit of some emotional kind of scene
Yeah,
where
because,
he doesn't have anything, and
he
then
doesn't have anything,
it
yeah.
went to like when he was some big person, some
Yeah.
responsible person,
Yes.
and all the keeping styles also, how he was taking wickets from behind the wicket.
Yeah.
So those things was also superb.
Also superb, and he is a motivational a person for many, because from being a very middle class family member to reach out to this position,
Yes.
using all of your talent and everything, like struggle only. He has not gotten any reference or nothing.
Right.
Okay, so it is his own talent that he has reached to this
Right.
level,
And
and
his hard work as
hard
well.
work. So that also the glimpses and everything was
Yes.
there in this mashup.
Yeah, right.
So I really like it, but the only wish is that it is only for 1 minute 45 seconds. It should be a little
Yes.
longer, at least for 3 minutes, so that it can be having a lot more,
Lot more.
family backgrounds,
Yes.
or kind of like interesting topics of Dhoni sir's,
Yes.
his daughter, his wife, his parents, everything it
I
should
think we
contain.
can invest some more time to get more unknown facts about
Unknown facts about
Dhoni sir.
Dhoni sir. Yeah. So yes, all over it is a very good content, and it is a 10 on 10 from our side,
Of
because of course RCM Creation has done a superb job. I really like the execution, the music,
Yes.
the sync of each and every videos. That is
Yeah,
well
right.
done actually. It is done
Yes.
very superbly.
And what about the graphics? VFX
Graphics
a little
also.
bit, he has it was super.
That is also very good actually.
Yes.
So yes, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you have enjoyed like we did. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Gopinath B, and he is writing his comment on Cobra Tumbi Tulla lyrical reaction, and he is saying, "Hi guys, your reaction are genuine and true from the heart. Looking for more videos reaction."
Yeah.
And yes, we enjoyed this song a lot, and
Yeah.
it was having a romantic touch, so we
Yes.
loved it a lot.
Yeah, so we really like Shreya Ghoshal ji's awaz.
Yes,
You
her
know,
voice
her
is superb.
voice is superb, and that add the extra flavor
Right.
to this song. So we got to know that this is a marriage of one Malayali girl with a Tamil guy.
Yes.
So yes, that was very good concept, and it was
Right.
very romantic. The song
A-
touch
A.R.
and
Rahman
everything.
sir.
Yeah, Raman sir's music.
Music
It
is
is
super.
matlab melodious, okay,
Right.
full of melody. So we really enjoyed it, and yes, thank you for liking our reactions. And yes, we do video reactions also, movie reactions also, and different several kind of topics. So you can definitely check out our channel, and you can definitely get to see more reactions of our
Yes.
channel. Okay, so yes, thank you so much Gopinath for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the second comment for today's video is from Anton Asreen, and he's commenting on 25 years of Vijayism part 2 reaction. He's telling you can't get a ticket for first 15 days in anywhere, sister.
Yes,
That
I
will
think
be
he's
houseful.
He's referring to the Master movie
Master
ticket,
movie,
so
that will be houseful, I think.
of course it will be going to be a very tough, and it will be a challenging for us also.
Challenging
And
for us,
I think hopefully at least we'll get for Hindi version.
Hindi version I think we will get, and we'll be trying to get at least we are thinking that time the pandemic situation will be go off, and we can go to the movie hall, nearest movie hall, and see in the Hindi
People's
dubbed only.
craze also.
We just want to see the people's craze, and also we have a plan to do a vlog on that particular day. So if it is happened in Hindi, then well and good, and if it is not happened, then of course we'll be buying ticket for Tamil only. So whether after seeing the movie also, we can understand a little bit of context, right? So yes, definitely we are very much excited, but yeah, we'll be trying to get at least the ticket. So yes, thank you so much Anton for commenting and for watching our videos. We are also very much looking forward to get
Watch
the
a Master
movie released at least as
Yes.
soon as possible. So let's hope for the best.
Yes. So the third and the last comment for today is from Pradeep Raj, and he is writing his comment on Dil Bechara official trailer reaction. He is writing love for Sushant from Chennai, hate Bollywood. If he come to South to act, we will take him to top. And yes,
Yeah.
I think that could have been happened. So we miss him a lot. So now it's not possible.
No, actually, Bollywood situation is very bad
Very bad,
nowadays.
very bad.
Nepotism and everything. People know that how much dirty politics are going on in Bollywood. So yes, that is good that at least in Kollywood and in Tollywood and in Sandalwood, this kind of nepotism is
Right.
not that much. Okay.
Yes.
So yes, we wish that he should be alive. He has a long future.
Yeah, right.
He
He has
could
just
have a long
started his
future. He
career
has
only.
just started his career, and he's a well successful person
short
in this
time.
short time only. But this is very unfortunate actually. So what to do? This is the destiny.
Right.
No one can change it, but we want at least the CBI investigation should be happened.
Yes.
And in each and every videos I think we are
Yes.
lagatar telling this thing. So please share this video as much as you can, because we are always
Always wanting a CBI
a
investigation
CBI
on
investigation should be happened, and
And even everybody, most of the people, they are
he
also
cannot
wanting
do
the same.
suicide.
Even
Yeah.
his father,
his
is also
father,
saying-
his family members,
telling him.
always. Why it is not happening? We don't understand. We have written also in some of the media also that we want CBI justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. How come a person who is a very smiling person, a very hasta khelta person, how can he
Yes.
commit suicide without any reason? There is no reason, right?
I think financially
He
also
doesn't have
was
any
good.
financial problem. He doesn't have any. He was in depression.
But there can be several reasons for that.
yeah, and
But
also
I don't think it lead him to take this bad step.
with bad step. And also most importantly, by seeing his dead body also, it was not clear at all that he has committed suicide. There was no sign of suicide. Okay, so we will tell much more about in some separate video where we can tell much
Sure,
more
yeah,
about
our
the
thoughts,
nepotism and thoughts and everything on
Yes.
Sushant Singh Rajput ji. So thank you Pradeep for watching and for commenting on our video. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.